Hey, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today I'm making lasagna and I'm going to make keto garlic bread. Both are keto. So this video is going to be on the keto garlic bread. So first you're going to need about 1 cup of mozzarella. And always grate your own cheeses. The grocery store, the pre-bagged cheeses they use potato starch to keep the cheese separated. Alrighty, for this you're going to need a 1/4 cup almond flour, 1 cup mozzarella. Let's just do it all. 1 egg. And some garlic powder. Let's do about a tablespoon. And then mix that together. Once you have it mixed, you want to scoop it out on your parchment paper and just mash it down. Okay, so we have our keto garlic bread. Put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, time for the garlic bread. That looks pretty yummy. I'm going to spread a little fresh Parmesan over the top of this. While it's hot. That looks good. I'm hungry. Okay, this is the end of our keto lasagna and keto garlic bread. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like, and leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
Let me try some of the bread. It tastes pretty good too.